Welcome back to Trending Cars. Today we're diving deep into one of the most impressive motorhomes of the future, the 2026 Volvo Motorhome. This is not just a vehicle, but a complete travel experience on wheels, blending Scandinavian design, cutting-edge technology, and unmatched comfort. Volvo has always been known for safety and sleek design, but this motorhome takes it a step further, redefining what luxury travel on the road can feel like. Let's start with the exterior, because the first impression is nothing short of stunning. The 2026 Volvo Motorhome carries that distinct Scandinavian design language. Minimal, clean, and futuristic. The body is sculpted with aerodynamic lines that reduce drag, making it efficient despite its massive size. The front fascia looks bold with Volvo's signature Thor's hammer LED headlights, now stretched and modernized for the motorhome design. The huge panoramic windshield provides both excellent driver visibility and a striking view for passengers, making the front of the vehicle look more like a high-end touring bus than a traditional motorhome. Sleek side panels with flush doors, retractable steps, and built-in storage compartments add functionality without disrupting the design flow. The wheels are equally striking. Large alloy designs with a futuristic multi-spoke pattern that not only look good but are engineered for stability and road comfort. On the rear, the taillights echo Volvo's signature vertical layout, giving it a distinctive and recognizable look, even from a distance. With integrated solar panels on the roof and optional satellite connectivity, the exterior isn't just stylish, it's highly functional for long journeys. Now step inside, and the real magic begins. Volvo has brought Scandinavian luxury to the interior of this motorhome. The cabin feels more like a luxury apartment than a vehicle, designed with high-quality natural materials like sustainable wood, recycled fabrics, and soft-touch leather upholstery. Everything is built around simplicity and comfort. The driver's cockpit is futuristic, with a digital display that integrates Volvo's advanced infotainment system, navigation and driver assistance technologies. The steering wheel and controls are designed ergonomically, giving the driver full command of this massive vehicle with ease. Moving back into the living area, you'll notice how spacious and airy it feels. Large panoramic windows flood the cabin with natural light, while ambient LED lighting adds warmth during the evenings. The lounge area features a convertible sofa set, a retractable smart TV, and built-in speakers that create a home theater experience. The kitchen is compact, but highly functional, equipped with induction cooktops, a smart refrigerator, a convection oven, and even a built-in coffee maker. The design maximizes space efficiency, ensuring everything has its place. The dining area comfortably seats 4, and with modular furniture, it can be transformed into extra sleeping arrangements. The bathroom is another highlight, offering a full standing shower with rainfall settings, a modern sink, and a smart toilet system that ensures sustainability with minimal water use. The bedroom is pure luxury, with a queen-size bed, memory foam mattress, climate control, and generous storage. For longer trips, this is a setup that makes you forget you're traveling in a vehicle. Volvo has also paid attention to connectivity. High-speed Wi-Fi, multiple USB-C ports, wireless charging pads, and smart home integration allow you to control lighting, climate, and even appliances through voice commands. Performance-wise, the 2026 Volvo Motorhome doesn't disappoint. It comes with a hybrid powertrain, combining a powerful diesel engine with an electric motor for enhanced efficiency and lower emissions. The hybrid system allows you to travel long distances without range anxiety, while still offering the option of running silently in full electric mode for short distances or eco-sensitive areas. Cute, with over 450 horsepower under the hood, this motorhome can comfortably cruise on highways while maintaining stability and safety. Volvo's adaptive air suspension ensures a smooth ride regardless of road conditions, and its advanced driver assistance system includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and even semi-autonomous driving features for those long road trips. Safety, as always with Volvo, remains the top priority, and this motorhome is equipped with multiple airbags, collision avoidance systems, and 360-degree cameras for easy maneuvering. Now let's talk about pricing. The 2026 Volvo Motorhome is a luxury product, and it's priced as such. Starting around $280,000 and going up depending on customization and features, this motorhome is aimed at buyers who want the very best in comfort and technology on the road. Optional add-ons like a solar roof extension, upgraded entertainment systems, and premium interior finishes can push the price well above $320,000. But considering the package, luxury, technology, performance, and safety, it's a strong competitor in the premium motorhome segment.